നമ്മുടെ ഇന്നത്തെ theme is also going to be a very, very special one because it is based on college and college and college. It's based on college life.